How to solve WhatsApp chat backup problem on your Android device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're having trouble with chat backups on your WhatsApp. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection. For that, you can open any web browser and check your internet speed here. So just type for something like fast.com and hit enter. And if you see that your internet is pretty good and it's working fine, then that means that you are not having any trouble with your internet. But in this case, what you need to do is go ahead and open your WhatsApp chats. From here, head over to your settings and then tap on chats. Now from here at the bottom, you'll see chat backup. Just tap on it and tap on backup. But if it keeps loading like this, then in this, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on its app info. And from here, you want to force stop your app once, because what this will do is it will cut out all of the background activities that is happening on your WhatsApp. And once you do that, tap on permissions and allow all of these required permissions for the app to run smoothly. And finally, head over to storage and clear cache. You can even clear data if you want, which will completely refresh the app. And once you do that, just give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.